Good morning and welcome to IFSEC International 2019. How are you all doing? I am here on the Axis Communications stand and I'm going to go and have a little chat and see what they're all talking about. So I'm here with Steve and Kenny and we're going to have a little chat about cyber security. So Steve, why are Axis so concerned? Why do they give so much value and attention to cyber security?
Well, cybersecurity is really important to Axis. It's understanding what we need to do to support our customers. What's important to them is important to Axis. The only thing we can offer within cybersecurity is trust, so people know that what we're doing is the right thing to support our customers and their buildings and their operational systems.
GDPR came in a year ago, roughly.
Absolutely.
And so how have you found that within this last year that's affected business and the security industry as a whole?
It's increased awareness around what businesses should do, and I'm really putting into practice the technology that they're looking to deploy, how they train their staff, and the processes that they have in place to comply with the GDPR and in the UK Data Protection Act 2018.
So as Axis as a company, what kind of developments, what are you putting into it now?
So we're firstly looking at the actual technology that sits within the camera. So we have trusted platform modules, how the actual camera technology interacts out of box. So we look at password policies, we look at encryption, we look at remote access. And we also embrace different security policies. So we have Cyber Essentials Plus, which is an initiative run by the UK's National Cyber Security Centre. So we look at the technology and we also look at the policies and processes that we wrap around the technology at the same time.
So I'm here with Håkan Johansson and he's going to just give us a little update on what Axis is doing here this year at IFSEC.
Cloud is actually now picking up in the surveillance industry, and we have the beginning of artificial intelligence. With all that data coming together, people want to analyze it and make use of it. So we see a lot of interest in having analytics for various things. We also have developed our 7th new chip, the ARPEX 7. So if you do analytics on the camera, instead of storing it centrally, you reduce the bandwidth need and it makes it more of an attractive solution. If you look at cities especially, they want to make sure that they have a higher quality of life. And that you can do by using our technology for building more efficient transportation systems. You want more security, safer city. And these are the kind of things that are driven by the people living in the city. So that's why we really want to make sure that we innovate products that can help them to realize a smarter and safer world in the future, which we started to do. So.
Hello, so I'm here with Björn and we're going to have a little chat about the Axis Optimizer for Milestone X Protect.
With the optimizer, you can actually make use in an easy and simple way of all of the unique Axis camera functionality inside of Milestone X Protect. So what we're doing here is really evidencing that partnerships is the way forward for the security industry. That camera, that hardware is being used in a piece of software. And how do you really make sure that you get all of the functionality from that piece of camera or that piece of hardware into the software? So really that's where the optimizer comes in, because the optimizer ensures you that you get that set of functionality that you want and that you bought into at one point, and the benefit is that you can actually make use of them in the software.
Pioneers going forward.
That's what we try to be.
Thanks, Björn. I'm here to have a chat with the cool kids, Andy and Martin, on the stand. And first of all, Martin's going to explain to me about the Morphian platform.
Basically what Morphian are doing is traditional security systems require local hardware, PC servers, recorders, and what we've really done is taken the way they need for that and procuring it in a subscription way, so you basically pay for what you use. So yeah, we're working pretty close now with Axis. They have some technology built into their cameras called OneClick. You get an access to a whole world of different devices and sensors and unify them through our cloud to sort of build solutions on for end customers.
What does that mean? Like, what are the benefits of this system?
It gives you an opportunity to look at the way you operate and then manage key functions, key controls within that operation. So it's not a case of having a server on site and then thinking, right, we've got this now, we're depreciating it over 5 or 7 years, we can change it as needs must. And that's a really great advantage for the end user.
Yeah, definitely. Moving forwards.
And in the cloud.
Exactly, cloud-based.